Greetings. Hello, it's George. So I am back in Easton, PA. It's Sunday, November 5th, and I'm about to enter Baconfest, which is the largest of the many festivals that Easton hosts each year. But this is by far the most popular. It attracts upwards of 80,000 people each year, and today is day 2 and the last day of the festival. Now, yesterday the weather was not nearly as good. It was pretty much overcast all day, and I decided to come out here today to shoot a little video, capture some of the sights and sounds of the festival. So I'm going to turn my camera around and enter. Okay. They have all the major streets blocked off with vehicles, so you can only get in by foot. This is the view north on 3rd Street. Here's the center square. This is Easton's new parking garage, which opened earlier this year. It wasn't available during last year's Baconfest, but this year it's available, and definitely much needed because like I said, we got a huge turnout, and parking is usually an issue. But this garage, as you can see, is quite large, so it's a big help. Okay. Oh no, it looks like I was hoping I was going to be able to get a oak burger. There's a big steakhouse right here. It's actually an excellent steakhouse, and each year during Baconfest they sell bacon burgers, which are quite delicious. It looks to me like they may have sold out already, which wouldn't surprise me because they're really good. Oh, excuse me.
They were here yesterday too.
Okay. Here's our public market in downtown Easton, which is open year-round. Great place. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Whoa. So this is where Easton's main garage was located. There still is, what's left of it is still located here on South 3rd Street. So this was all demolished within the last couple of months, and it's going to be the site of a new apartment building, which is going to be quite large. It's going to be 7 stories. So I think overall it should be a good addition to downtown. We'll see, time will tell. Easton's experiencing a major building boom right now, which it hasn't seen in many decades. There's 5 buildings that are currently either have been completed within the last couple of years, or are under construction, or they're on the drawing board, and they'll be soon starting construction soon. So altogether they're going to add about 800 apartments to downtown Easton. So here's what the apartment building's going to look like. So it looks like, you know, something that you'd see in a real big city. So I look forward to it. We'll see. It's probably gonna. I bet it takes at least 2 years to complete that. We'll find out. Avoid the circle because it's gonna be super crowded in there, and I'll get to the next place I want to go faster by cutting through this cutting through the side streets. Easton Outdoor Company, good store, go there a lot. Hey, how's it going, Jim?
over in this building right here.
Okay. So this is this 7-story building right here is one of the new apartment buildings that I referenced earlier. This one's called the Commodore, and the first 2 floors are going to be retail office space, and then 3 through 6 will be apartments, and then the top floor is going to be a restaurant, which is going to be opening up within the next few weeks, and it's going to have an outdoor deck that will face north. So the restaurant's going to be called Time, T-H-Y-M-E. That's going to be, so I look forward to the opening. I'll definitely head over there. So again, there are a lot of food vendors that turn out. Most of the food is related to bacon in one way or another. Of course, that's what you would expect. They actually have races here, little baby pigs. That's always a crowd favorite. So here we are at the Delaware River. This bridge, what's known as the Free Bridge, it's really, the real name of it is the Northampton Street Route. They're starting the pig races.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the first call for hot dog pig racing. Post time is in just 10 minutes. While you're waiting, it's your chance now to get a souvenir race flag for $1 to cheer your favorite pig or pig.
So this bridge spans the Delaware River, and you've got New Jersey on the other side, of course, and that's Phillipsburg, New Jersey.